Hi guys, I'm Tanvi Sukharam and you're watching me on Femina.in. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe Femina.
First, set a base by applying some primer. Next, apply a concealer under your eyes and any other blemishes you may have. Now, apply foundation to achieve an even skin tone. I find that foundation brush works best for this, but you can use a beauty blender as well. To ensure maximum coverage, once again, apply the concealer under your eyes, on the nose bridge, forehead and your chin. Now gently blend them using a brush or a blender. Now apply some setting powder in these areas of your face. And while it bakes, get started on contouring your nose and cheeks. Add the rustic brown contour on your forehead and your cheekbones as well. Now blend them all gently using a round brush. Apply the highlighter on your cupid's bow. Now it's time to give your eyes the focus, so cover your lid with a brown eyeshadow and blend it thoroughly. Extend this all the way from the inner corner of your eyes to where your crease ends. Now cover the 3/4 portion of your eyelid with the concealer and spread it towards the inner corner of your eyes. Go back to the brown used earlier and retouch it. In your crease line, apply a shimmery gold over it. Add a shimmery color to the part we applied the concealer on and blend it really well. Apply a darker shade of brown in your crease line to give your eyes more depth. Now, use a darker brown shade that has some glitter in it and layer it over your eyelids. Set it using a thin flat brush. Do not forget to groom your brows, evenly brush them in an upward direction. Apply a silver or a gold hued eyeshadow on your brow bone as shown. Add some dark brown eyeshadow to your lower lash line as well. Curl up your lashes using mascara, which will make your eyes pop. Now, draw the outline of your wing and fill them very carefully. Add some color to your cheeks with a peachy blush and use a fan brush and highlight the areas shown. Outline your lips using a lip liner and fill in the lips with a nudish shade. Now set everything using a setting powder and secure it in place using a setting spray. And that's it! You are all ready to rock the brown smoky eye look. Try it out yourself and show us the results in the comments.